So last video we ran this guy and this thing was really impressive. This thing goes over 50 miles an hour. It's crazy, very durable. Surprised how durable it is. And today we're going to be looking at this one. So this one's basically a cheaper, more beginner friendly version of that guy. So this one is called Snow Claw. This one is called Rage Shark. Brushless, this one is brushed. Just like the other one, it comes with spare parts, comes with lights, it does have a battery and charger, and then you got some stickers. I did notice the remote looks a little bit different than the other one. I think this might be for the lights. I think this is for different speed modes. So let's go ahead and put some stickers. There we go. We got some stickers on. Oh, nice. I didn't even notice. We have a second battery. So I guess it comes with two batteries. That's pretty cool. Here's just a quick look on the inside. Like I said, this one is a brushed version. Tires feel pretty soft. So this one does have plastic drive shaft, so that's kind of, if you're going to be upgrading, you're going to want to probably go metal. So yeah, looking at the manual, you do have 3 speeds. So you got low, medium, and high. I'm going to go ahead, put the second battery on charge, then we're going to go take it out for a rip. So out of the box, I believe this thing goes about 18 miles an hour, so I mean pretty good for a little beginner truck. Let's see if we could clear this little gap right here. Look at that. Oh, perfect. I wish this thing was a little bit faster, but I mean, it's a great beginner truck. They do sell a kit on Amazon that you could upgrade it to 3S brushless. Ooh, nice. Ah, I mean, this would be great for kids. Like, somebody who's getting into it, this would be perfect. That was a nice flip. Okay, we had our first break, and I have a feeling that would happen since the drive shafts are plastic. Looks like we snapped it. Swap them out real quick and keep going. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and order some metal drive shafts for this guy. They're about like 20 bucks for 2 pieces. While I'm waiting for the parts, I'm gonna go ahead and swap those out because they're metal, and I'm gonna put it in here so we could go back out and keep bashing this thing. Actually, guys, I did find this spare drive shaft with the parts that came with the car. So I'm actually going to go ahead and put this plastic one in. But I am going to go still order the metal ones. So, kind of cool that they included some extra drive shafts. Surprisingly, this thing lasted longer than expected. Because what you guys didn't see is I've been trying to land that little tabletop, do a front flip and land it. And I messed up so many times and this thing crashed. And I mean, I probably wrecked this thing like 20 times before finally I've landed bad and it snapped. So, surprisingly, it lasted longer than I expected. Alright, we're back. This time we're going to run on some dirt. Yeah, this thing's a pretty fun little, like a fun little backyard basher. This would be perfect for kids. Once in a while I would have, family friends ask me, hey, I want to buy my kid a RC car. I don't want anything too crazy expensive, but something still pretty decent. And You know, most of the time I would tell them get an Armagh Gorgon or a FMS F100. Those are pretty nice. They're like budget, they're brushed, but they're like around 200 bucks. And honestly, this one would be one of RC cars that I would recommend. This thing is only 100 bucks, and it's pretty fun. I think this is a good truck for starters, but if you want something fast and crazy, then I would go with the 1610 version. But yeah, guys, if you guys want it, I'll have a link down below. Check it out. Thanks guys for watching. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.